What's up with y'all, man? It's been a minute. Shout out to my boy Sayless Trent for holding down the channel. But with that being said, we're going to hop straight into it. As y'all see by the title of today's video, 3 methods that I use to scale my Shopify store. Now, with that being said, in essence, fundamentally, these are the only 3 ways to grow any business. So this is business 101 right here. The only 3 ways that you can grow any business. We're just going to tailor it to make it specific to a Shopify store, to an e-commerce store. So I know a lot of you guys are here for clothing brand content, but regardless of whether you have a clothing brand, whether you're a drop shipper, whatever you're selling online, these are the only 3 ways to grow your business. So number 1 way to scale your Shopify store, to grow your business, like I said, this is fundamentals right here, but it's going to carry everything that you do with your business. Number 1, get more customers. The number 1 way to scale your Shopify store, to grow your business, is to get more customers. Sounds very simple, but it's the number 1 issue that most businesses have. Acquiring customers, customer acquisition. So with that being said, how can you get more customers for your Shopify store? In today's day and age, we know that social media, you guys are watching this on YouTube, is one of the primary ways to grow any brand. So, number 1, organic content. My clothing brand, Sayless Lifestyle, we grew it from 0 to over 500,000 followers on TikTok, all organic. 70K on Instagram. Organic content is huge just in growing a brand, right? You can grow a business just by spending money on paid ads. I'll talk about that in a minute. But when it comes to growing a brand, you want to have an attraction. You want to have a relationship with your audience, and you do that through organic content. Plus, when you're doing product-centric content, right, all your content is around a product that you're selling, you're going to show that product to your target audience. There's a Harvard Business Review study that says that the average customer, it takes 7 touch points, anywhere from 7 to 11 times, for somebody to see your brand before they buy. And organic content does that for you. So number 1 way to get more customers is through organic content. Number 2, like I mentioned, paid ads. Paid ads. And I have a bunch of videos on paid ads. Go on and watch those. But when you really learn how to run paid ads profitably, so you're not just throwing money down the drain, it can be a really effective way to get more customers. Now, with that being said, most people just run paid ads just to get customers, get that one-time sale, and then it's over, right? So that's the number 1 way to grow your brand, to grow your business, scale your Shopify store, is to get more customers. But now, once I have all the customers that I want, now I need a way to ascend those customers, customer ascension. So number 2 way to grow your Shopify store is through getting your customers to buy more. So once I have more customers, now I need my customers to buy more. Average order value, increasing the average order value of each customer. If I have a store, I have a Shopify store, and I'm selling a $20 pair of glasses, let's just say I'm selling a $20 pair of sunglasses. Somebody could come on my website. Let's say I paid $5 for them through paid ads, or even I'm making organic content. Whatever I did, I DM'd them, whatever I did to get them to my website. They come on my website and they spend $20. That's cool. I could get 100,000 people to spend $20 with me. I make a lot of money. But what would be even better is I get those people to buy $20 worth of sunglasses, and I'll also get them to buy a $30 hat or a $10 product that's lesser than, right? So cross sells, upsells, downsells, bundles, all that good stuff, right? All of that is going to help you to not only get more customers, but get those customers to buy more. Make each customer worth more. This will help you in terms of profits, increasing your profit margins. If you're doing fulfillment yourself, you're only going to ship out the order once, but each order is worth more. So that's how you scale. You could make a lot more money with a lot less effort by optimizing your Shopify store, your online store, your business in a way where people can buy more from you. All right, and the number 3 way to scale your Shopify store after you have gotten more customers, after you have made those customers worth more, you got those customers to buy more. The 3rd way is to get your customers to buy more often. customer continuity. Get your customers to buy more often. I can get any customer to buy from me. I could get any customer to buy a lot from me in terms of dollar amount, in terms of items ordered. But if they just come one time and then leave, like, I'll make money, but I want them to come continually back to me, whether it's monthly, however often, right? And so customer continuity is the third way that you can scale your Shopify store. Now, in terms of e-commerce, some key, easy, simple ways to do this. Number one, email and text list, right? And that's what most people talk about. Have an email list, have an SMS list where you are collecting leads, whether you got PostScript set up on your website, which gives people a discount when they get to their site, whether you let people know that when they enter their phone number or their email address, they can get registered to be updated on new drops that you have coming out. So those customers are highly qualified to buy again from you in the future, right? And so that's one way to build customer continuity, is through having an email list and a text list, right? More recently, nowadays, a big thing that you can do, something that I did with my clothing brand, Sailor's Lifestyle, is have a paid community, right? And what I mean by this, for us, for example, with Sailor's Lifestyle, because we had a brand, we weren't just selling a product, but we were selling a lifestyle. We had a text list where people were paying $5 a month to get motivational text from us, because our brand was all about motivation, fitness, right? Doing more and saying less. And so people were paying $5 a month. We had a couple hundred people paying $5 a month to get these texts from us every day. And so whatever you want to do for your brand, you can really get creative and just brainstorm, but some type of way to get people to give you money consistently every month where it's on subscription, even if it is through your own product, right? There's some products, if it's food, if it's skincare, where you could go on Shopify and download a subscription app where people can come, enter their credit card information once, but they're subscribed, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, bi-monthly, whatever increment of time. And every time that increment hits, boom, Shopify is automatically charging their card without them even having to come to your website. You're getting the money, and it's consistent revenue for multiple customers, however many you got, over a period of time. And so with that being said, that's just an easy way to build customer continuity. So your profit's already set. Every month, you know how much you're going to make, just without having to get any more customers, without having to get any more customers to buy more. You're getting your customers to buy more often. So if you've done the first two right, the third way is really how you take your brand, your business, your Shopify store to that next level where it really becomes a passive asset that's making money for you in your sleep. With that being said, that's the end of this video. If you want one-on-one help with me and my team to help you grow your brand, grow your online business, go ahead and text the number that's down in the description, and I'll see if you're a good fit to work with me. That's the end of the video. God bless. Have a great day. Let's get after it. Let's go.